Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I am going to tell about how to change sound to take photo guys. How can you change sound to take photo in Redmi 10 phone camera setting? Today we are going to talk about guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So then first of all, open your camera, and after guys click on this three option and click on setting option. So we will click, and after guys come on customize and sound option. So you can change like film one guys. So click here, come back, and let's see friends. You can see guys, sound has changed. So I think friends you have understood how to change sound to take photo in Redmi 10 phone camera setting. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.